Well, do you want to increase your sales and the product quality and the sales services? Well, I'm assuming you would want to. And for that, you need ISO. So I'm here to explain about ISO, what are the documents required for the same, what are the popular ISO marks, and also how can Legal Rasta help you with the same. Well, I'm sure you must be thinking what ISO is. So ISO is an independent, non-governmental organization that facilitates innovation and leads the way to development of trade. International standards make things work. They give world-class specifications for products, services and systems to ensure quality, safety and efficiency. ISO has published more than 21,000 international standards and related documents covering almost every industry from technology to food safety to agriculture and health. There are various popular standards for ISO, some of which are ISO 9001, which stands for Quality Management, ISO 18001, which stands for Occupational Health and Safety Management, ISO 27001, which stands for International Media Security System, ISO 4217 stands for Currency Codes, ISO 14001 stands for Environmental Management, ISO 22000 stands for Standard for Food Safety, and ISO 5001 stands for Energy Management. Well, there are various documents which are required for ISO certificate, and they are copy of the PAN card, copy of the electricity or the water or the telephone bill of the registered office, registration certificate, then you need a copy of the rent agreement and the landlord NOC in case the property is rented. If the property is owned by you, then you need the copy of sale deed. In order to obtain a ISO certificate, there's a certain process that needs to be followed. Firstly, the organization seeking the ISO certificate, the quality of the same is checked. Then, to ensure the standards and the transparency, the auditing for stage 1 and stage 2 takes place. Then the ISO quotes the findings to the organization. Then the surveillance takes place, and also the repeated surveillance takes place in order to check the activities. The last step involves the decision regarding the issuing of the certificate, that is, whether it is suspended, withdrawn, reduced or extended. As the ISO procedure itself depicts that it is slightly complex, so you can either apply it yourself or you can take help from Legal Rasta. If you opt to take help from Legal Rasta, all you have to do is go to our website, that is www.legalrasta.com, select ISO certificate registration. Then you have to fill a very simple questionnaire, and then you'll receive an email from us regarding the various steps as well as the documents that are required. Once you submit the documents, you're done on your part and we'll take care of the rest. We'll then file your application, and in case any objection arises, we'll reply to the same. Once the certificate is granted, you will be intimated. In case you have any queries or you want to track your status, you can contact us at 875-000-8585. I hope you liked the video. Thanks.